How to stream on Twitch PC. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to stream on your Twitch application on your PC or the web version, it is quite simple. So without any further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, open any of your preferred browser and go to twitch.tv. Once you go on that, log in using your credentials or sign up if you have not created your account. Once that is done, tap on your profile and go to the settings. Once you open the settings, you will see this various tabs. Tap on Channel and Videos. Once you tap on it, you will be landed to another page. Now from here, on the left side panel, you will see Stream. Tap on it and copy the primary stream key. This can be used on your OBS Studio to get the stream key. Once this is done, go to Stream Manager and let the settings get started. Once all of this is done, you can now open your OBS Studio and copy your stream key. Once that is done, you can start streaming and there you go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. Also, if you have got any questions, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section.